Oh, big appeal. Yes, got him. Out LBW. Ricky Ponting. Out LBW. Harbhajan Singh. He's making a big comeback here. Ricky Ponting was playing all around that one. The bat didn't come through straight. Oh, he's got him. First ball. Has he got? Yes, he's got him. He has got him. Adam Gilchrist is out first ball. The crowd here are on their feet. It pitches. Does it pitch on middle and leg? Oh, he hit it. Did he hit it? Right, now then, imagine the roar if they get Shane Warne out. And what's more, it'll be a hat-trick. Can Harbhajan Singh, who now has 4 for 58. No Indian bowler has ever taken a test hat-trick. Here we go. Can he do it? Oh! It's got him! Has he got him? Has he got him? He's going over to the square leg. The celebration's on. Is he the first ever? He wants a replay. He wants a replay. Well, is this history being made here?
Was it a full toss? Well, you can't see where the ball bounced first. Very good catch. Now, did it go into the ground, or was it a full toss onto the bat, into the hand?
Well, we need another angle. The catch is clean, no doubt about that. We need another angle. We don't need the line. Yeah, he's given him. He's given him. He's given him. I think the third umpire's jumped the gun. Let's have a look. This will show us.
And did he jam it into the ground, or did it come flush off the bat?
Well, the first Indian ever to take a hat-trick in Test match cricket. Harbhajan Singh, take a bow.
And suddenly the game has turned around. 193 for 1. Hayden was out first over after afternoon tea. And from that moment, it's been carnage.